Are personalized ads not working on the Kick app? If you can't manage your personalized ad settings, your preferences aren't being saved, or you are seeing unexpected ads. In this video, I will show you how to fix personalized ads on Kick app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Kick app. In this page, you will go to this window of profile. As you see here, we'll move to profile. You'll find this list. You will click on content. We'll tap on content. Then you'll find here enable personalized ads, and you can enable it. So please don't forget